Introducing the 2024 Ford Maverick, a compact truck that stands out with its impressive fuel efficiency. With its modern and eye-catching appearance, the Maverick commands attention on the road. But its appeal goes beyond looks, boasting exceptional fuel economy compared to other trucks in its class. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road, the Maverick offers the perfect balance of style and efficiency. With its innovative design and impressive fuel economy, the 2024 Ford Maverick is the smart choice for those who demand both style and practicality in a truck.